watch. And that open hi-hat too loud, so I'm about to fix all that right now, watch. That's 385. Here go 386. You feel me? Every single beat. You feel me? You feel me? Man, I made these beats so damn long ago, man. All the new beats I made on here, I'm gonna play them for you too. These beats, these is from the beginning of this year. All these beats is from the beginning of this year. You feel me? I got a whole nother goddamn MPC that I make other beats on. This just for this MPC, you feel me? I could bust them out too though, you feel me? Like I got a lot of beats. Oh yeah, me and Zaytoven. Oh yeah, we got some shit. I play that shit too. Me and Zaytoven made some shit. Here we go. So that's 386. 387, here we go. You feel me? We just gonna go all the way down the line. Every one is one of them ones. You feel me? Yes, sir. STL Northside. You dig what I'm saying? Right from the dub. Let's go. Salute. Salute to my city. You hear me? Feel me? Just loading these bitches up. You dig what I'm saying? beats I made on the MPC. I don't even remember the beats. You feel me? Like, come on, man. These just random beats, you feel me? You don't want to see what I got on this computer. It's gonna fuck your life up, you feel me? And then I've been off, like I got so many of the trap vibes, I've been off that shit. I'm just playing y'all the catalog, you feel me? I can let you hear what I've been making recently. It's way different. You feel me? You feel me? Every single, like I'm trying to tell you, like I'm about to go to the new shit. I'm gonna play like maybe 1 or 2 old beats. And I'm gonna let you hear. I'm way off the trap shit, you feel me? I got so many of them, and like I'm thinking about bigger vibes, you feel me? And I'm using all one shots. I'm using all my own drum sounds. I ain't using no VSTs, no sequences off a DAW. This is all, you know? So you playing around with samples, you feel me? Let me see. Sample vibes, you feel me? Like, I be chopping samples all the time. Like, just going crazy, like, on some. Nah, Jeezy, I'm there tomorrow. Now watch this. So look, all them is like, oh, you feel me? So if I go all the way down to the bottom, which I'm on, see them is the 300s, these are 400s, you feel me? The 400s, I'm about to let you hear them, you feel me? 400s, whole different vibe, just playing with different shit, you feel me? That's where you had the other shit. That's why I was on shit like this. Look, hold on. Let me see. Whole different vibes, you feel me? 419. And this just on the goddamn MPC with nothing. No VSTs, no nothing, bruh. Think about what I got on this fucking computer. Think of what I got on those 2 computers over there, bro. Think about what I got on the other NPCs. Oh, Jeezy, I was just playing some shit for you, gang. You hear me? I got you, bro. I've been making all shit for you. I'm playing for you. You know, I just been keeping it in the tuck. I can't give away all the beats immediately. We gotta build them bitches up. But I got some shit, boy. I've been making some shit for us, Jeezy. You hear me? I got a whole little vibe for us. You hear me? I'm trying to tell you, bro. We going crazy. Me and Blue Bus Clan got some shit on the way, boy. We got a whole project on the way. Shit, we got a couple of them on the way. You hear me? Like, me and Blue Bus Clan like this. You don't even know. We literally like this. You feel me? Like, y'all don't even know, bro. It's like, them my blooders, bro. Like, real life shit. Been grinding, like, real life. Locked in. Slaving at this shit. Really getting that formula in. You feel me? Like, trying to tell you, like, yeah, I'm trying to tell y'all boys the truth. We going crazy. But look, these all new vibes, you feel me? These different vibes, like, newer shit. That's what I was, see, look, so that's what I was saying. So I'll be on hip-hop vibes, you know what I'm saying? Like, let me see. Let's see. Feel me? I'm trying to tell you. 418, like, I've been just going between different vibes, man. You know, I got a lot of beats, man. And it's, for me, I be having so many goddamn you know, I be having so many, like, ideas in my head. It be about how fast I can get it out. So I be trying to make templates and certain styles that I can just go right to and start creating. You feel me? Like, and this ain't shit. You feel me? Like, this is just, that shit took me 7 minutes to make, man. You know what I'm saying? Because I approached it with the beat in my head. You feel me? So I'm trying to tell y'all niggas know what's going on, man. Trying to tell you, man. And I ain't even, this just on this shit, man. This the shit I fuck with when I'm bored. Like, when I'm just sitting on the couch watching TV or something, this is what I'm fucking with. You feel me? This is what I'm doing. When I'm on the couch bored as hell, this is what I'm doing. I'm creating on the NPC. You know what I'm saying? Making real different vibes, fucking around with shit, creating shit, innovation. And then, you know, when y'all be seeing me in the studio and shit, I be on the, you know. And sometimes when the artists in the studio with me, they see me fuck around on this bitch. I got placements on the NPC, real plaques from this shit. Look at it. I was just showing this beat. See what I'm saying? Hold on, let me see.